Well, here it is cold, cold, and cold.
What is it, Shannon?
Cold.
Oh, thanks. I've heard a lot
That's a
of
frosty introduction to Michael Fish.
It is true, though. It is cold outside. The deer hunters
are happy, I'm sure.
They're braving the elements. They're doing the best they can. They were coming in for plenty of warm-ups. Let's just put it that way. Now, the thing is, Shannon, we're just not quite used to this kind of weather because
Really?
it's actually been a long time since we've seen it this cold.
Okay.
Now, here, let's just put it into perspective. We just experienced our coldest day since March 20th. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm saying we're not quite used to this cold of air yet. Well, as we go through this upcoming week, I think you're going to start to have to get used to it. That's the unfortunate part of this. Now, let's say you have friends, loved ones, maybe yourself. You're doing some deer hunting around the state, or maybe they're just coming home. Well, it looks like we're going to be pretty quiet, but we are going to be cold. There's Wausau checking in with a high temperature of 18 tomorrow. Maybe a stray lake effect snow shower flurry towards the Rhinelander area. Madison quiet in 22. So coming home for deer hunting, we're looking okay road-wise. It's just going to be cold out there for another day of hunting. So average high, 42. That would feel like a heat wave compared to what we just dealt with today because we were well below average, 28 in Milwaukee. But look at the cold pool going all the way down by like Oklahoma, Texas. By the way, we have winter storm warnings for these states, our southern states. So we're missing a big snowstorm to our south, but we're on the cold side of all of this, and that cold air sticking around. It's here right now. 16 currently, Port Washington, Sheboygan, 18 Racine, only 15 Burlington and Lake Geneva. But then we have to factor in our friend the wind, which we've had plenty of today. That makes it feel like a whopping 1 degree. Feels like 1 in Burlington, 6 in Kenosha, 4 Sheboygan. Either way you cut it, if you have plans tonight, dress for winter, but you just don't have to worry about the snow because that's in the UP of Michigan and maybe the snowbelt counties and far northern Wisconsin. That's about it. But most of us going to be quiet besides the wind and the cold tonight. We're going to keep it quiet tomorrow as well. But, of course, the story is the cold. And it's going to be very cold again for tomorrow, at least compared to average. Now, it is a little bit milder out to the west, but I'm not talking any sort of record-breaking warmth around here. We're probably not going to make it to average for quite some time, so get used to the cold air. So here's future forecast. Going to be a cold, breezy night. We keep the breeze around again for tomorrow. Then we pick it up the wind again as we go into Sunday night and Monday. So it's going to get windy around here. Just a brief little spike in the temperatures as we head through Monday before another reinforcing shot of cold air works its way through. And that front on Monday could bring us a couple scattered snow showers, but any accumulation would be light. So not a major weather event, but here comes more cold air behind it. So the rest of our night, cold, 8. That's it. Milwaukee and by the lake, Waukesha and inland 4. It's going to be blustery. Our wind chill is going to be dropping below 0 as the night goes on. For tomorrow, sunny to partly cloudy, still breezy, not quite as windy as today. 25 degrees. That's it for our high, so we don't make it above freezing. 20 tomorrow night. We'll keep it dry, but we're picking up the wind again. Could see a couple snow showers on Monday. And 34, if there is any accumulation, it's going to be light. And that's not going to last all day either. Thanksgiving, Shannon.
Yes.
We got the turkey there, and it looks quiet.
It's going to be a frozen turkey.